Mayroon na tayong result. In mo yung history ng pag-a-apply mo, 'di ba? You came here as a tourist visa holder, right?
Yes po.
Okay, tapos tourist visa holder, tapos kailan ka dumating?
Kailan yun? March 2023.
March 2023. Tapos you ended up applying for student permit March nag-decide ka March 12, 2025. So 2 taon.
Yeah.
And that time, that 2 years, ang hirap makahanap ng sponsor, 'di ba? So you ended up using your resources applying for a student permit. Okay,
Yes, yes,
that's a good thing. So anyway, the result is positive. As a tourist visa holder, I know. It's amazing, eh? As a tourist visa holder, ang sabi nila, 'di ba, hindi na pwedeng mag-estudyante dito sa loob ng Canada, tapos dapat sa labas. Pero right now, ikaw, nagkaroon ka ng opportunity eh. So, talagang kahit anong sabihin natin, ito yung rule dito sa immigration, pero ang daming taliwas yung mga nangyayari right now. I'm not saying na everybody should be in taliwas, pero I think it's just a matter of trusting yung ating ginagawa at saka pakiramdam, and that's exactly what happened. So now, estudyante ka na. Pwede ka nang mag-aral. Amazing.
Thank you po.
Basahin ko lang ha. Sabi niya dito, your application to stay in Canada as a temporary resident visa is approved. Your permit has been mailed to you at the address you gave us when you applied. So, ibig sabihin, you don't need to get out. See?
Okay.
Yung iba pinapalabas. Yung iba hindi na kailangang lumabas.
Okay.
Pero anyway, it's okay. Makakalabas ka naman. You can always go to to Mexico, 'di ba? I always, you know what, honestly, I always discourage everyone to go for student kasi mahirap. Pero kung ito naman yung pagkakataon mo to change your tourist visa status to become a student or work permit, then why not? 'Di ba?
Yeah. Risk lang talaga po yan.
Risk talaga lahat. Risk. But, ito ang advice ko sa'yo, okay? I want you to continue studying, finish up whatever you have, and then, eventually, kasi hanggang 1 year itong validity niya. So, you have 1 year. Now, whatever happens within that 1 year period, either pwede ka nang makahanap ng magbibigay sa'yo ng work permit or LMIA, pero don't stop studying. Finish the race, okay? Para hindi ma-violate kung whatever yung konting bagay lang yan. Itong pag-tuition fee mo, that's just a small thing. Okay? Pero, eto step by step talaga. When you come here as tourist, mayroon talagang step by step yung ating process. And I'm glad you actually applied for this. Talagang para sa'yo ang immigration ng Canada. And I'm glad for that na may resources ka na ipakita sa kanila. Okay?
Tapos, while I'm still studying po, pwede ako makahanap ng
pwede kang mag-work ng
sponsor?
pwede kang mag-work ng 20 hours a week, yun ang rule. Plus, pwede kang maghanap ng LMIA na pwedeng mag-sponsor sa'yo kasi mayroon ka ng status. However, I don't want you to stop studying. I want you to keep on studying regardless of whatever happens. Sayang din. Magagamit mo din itong matatapos mo dito sa Canada, okay? So, that's exactly what you are going to do. Do not violate whatever things happens. You have the resources, okay? So, you use that. Eventually, mababawi mo rin yan, okay?
Okay, thank you po.
Okay, I'm so glad. I'm happy for you. This works for you. Imagine tourist visa became an international student.
Yeah,
You came 2023 as a tourist visa. Hindi ka na lumabas, ano?
Hindi po.
Okay. Congratulations ulit. I'm happy. Oh my gosh.
Nagwo-worry na kasi ako kasi this coming September mag-i-extend na naman po ako ng
I
tourist.
know. Now, hindi ka na mag-i-extend ng tourist. Hindi ka na tourist visa holder. Kapag ka dumating yung panahon, worst case scenario, of course, magagamit mo pa rin mag-apply niyan. But right now, hindi ka na tourist visa holder. Isa ka ng estudyante. Di ba? Na-promote ka na.
Na-promote at least.
I
Hindi na
know.
ako mag-extend.
I know. So, congratulations ulit. I will send you the result. Okay?
At saka, hindi po yan affected po, ma'am, sa yung sa new rules, yung sa bagong, yun ngayon, sa student.
Hindi. Wala ka munang isipin. Huwag mo muna isipin yon.
Okay.
Ikaw naman, nag-iisip ka na naman. Baka bukas maiiba na naman ito. But right now, take advantage, start studying. Okay? Huwag mo muna isipin.
Thank you.
Kasi wala ka namang pamilya para, makialam ka sa mga other things right now. Okay? Alright. Congrats! Bye-bye!
Thank you po.
You're welcome.
Thank you po
Bye-bye.
talaga sa
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
There you go, everyone. This person came here year 2023 as tourist visa, and she cannot find a way to for her to be able to get a sponsorship. Being a tourist visa holder, she took a chance. She applied for international students. She let me process it, but of course, be mindful that this has a PAL. So, mayroon siyang PAL, and she did not come out from the immigration, or she did not come out from Canada. We process while she is inside Canada as international student, but what we used, or what the application that we have used, is an application to change condition, extend my stay or remain in Canada as a student, which is IMM 5709. Hindi siya outside. We process inside. We use PAL, and of course the letter of acceptance. Those proof of means of financial support, which is yung family niya, they showed a financial support.